To
Alright, start again.
Oh, f***, man.
Go.
I'm not allowed to swear either, am I?
Nope.
Alright.
No swearing. It's alright, I can cut that bit out. You haven't started yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do this van up, sell it, and then use the money to do the T25, which I can then use to go out dogging.
So this van actually belongs to my friend Nick, that actually came to help us on the last video. He's got two vans, so he has this T4, which is a 2-litre petrol. The engine isn't running at the moment, which we don't know why, but we just recently painted it with some of the paint that I had left over from doing Hamish. And all the welding has just been done on this as well. Now we're not doing this van up to actually use it, we're doing this van up to sell it because Nick also has another project, this T25. So all of the funds from the T25, for the T4, are going in to build this, which I think is going to look awesome when it's finished.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know.
So we have a friend that's potentially buying this van, so we decided to get as much done to it as possible. So what is he actually looking for? He's looking to get just a bed in the back,
King size or double bed.
king size or double bed in the back,
A small kitchen unit.
small kitchen unit with, it's going to have
Sink, fridge,
and a tap. I think we could fit it in there.
and maybe a ring.
So we're going to get the floor out of it. We're going to get the floor done today. So let's get started on that. So this is taking everything out of the van.
Add that in the time lapse for about half a second. Just randomly. What the hell was that?
Yeah, I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
So we've taken the main stuff off of the bottom of the van just now. And now we're going to rip all this wood up and put new flooring down as well, so we can start with a clean base. So there's a few bits of rust, surface rust on here. As you can see, there's a bit there and there's also a bit there. Now this has all been welded from the outside, but we never got the surface rust done from the inside. So the plan is we're going to rub it all down with the grinder. We're going to treat it all with rust cure, all of it, even these little surface rusts here, get everything. Paint it all up with my favourite black hammerite, so it's going to be protected, it's not going to rust again, and then we can get on to putting a new wooden floor in. And I think we're going to put some laminate flooring down in here before we start building the bed, but we've got to get these off. These were the old seats. It's a transporter, so it was a caravel transport. It was a minivan, and these was where the seats used to bolt into, but obviously they need to leave. But they are bolted from underneath. And the one benefit of this not being my van is that Nick gets the glory of going underneath the van to get these bolts off, and I don't have to get dirty. How's it looking? Is it going to be really bolted rusted on, or?
Yeah, tried them with some WD.
WD on them. Get the socket on that one. Now that's looking a lot cooler. Very nice. Now just that bit, that bit, that bit. Done those bits. Oh, fantastic. Oh, will they not fit over your Trump hat? Oh, shame. So all the rust is now rubbed down, surface rust, all done, dusted, looking much better. Now this has all been welded from behind with plates. We just never removed the rust from the inside because we knew we were going to be doing this. So now all we've got to do is use the rust cure to cure it all, leave it for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and spray it.
When you move like that, yeah.
So Morris, we are building this van for you because you're buying this van. What is it you want out of this van? Use clean language.
What do I want out of the van? Well,
what would you like it to include? What are your necessities?
clean language.
I'll bleep some of it.
Okay. Can you install a thing?
No.
Shibari harness?
Maybe.
Handcuffs?
Definitely. But on a more serious note, what actually do you want in your van?
Oh, so I would like a bed.
Just a normal size bed.
The biggest bed that could possibly fit in it.
Okay.
I would like tinted windows.
Tinted windows, yes.
I would like
Tick.
a Bluetooth thing to be able to
A
play
Bluetooth
music.
radio, yes.
As cool as a tape
the
deck
cassette
actually
player
is,
not any
that-
good? No.
That is fucking cool.
I've got a Rick Astley tape you can have.
I mean, like, it's cool. Don't get me wrong.
Rick
but-
Astley's awesome.
I mean, if you can keep the tape deck in it and just have like a Bluetooth module that just fits somewhere, that would be sick.
Okay.
Because I don't need CDs or anything. Like, I'm happy to just play music via Bluetooth.
Okay.
And I probably would just get some tape for it something.
Well, we'll see. It is an original Volkswagen head unit. So it'd be a shame to take it out. But we'll figure something out.
It's just cool to have a tape deck, you know, like, that's just not a thing that's a thing anymore.
And what do you actually want to do in this van?
Well, don't ask him that on film.
There's gonna be so much sex.
Oh my gosh.
Mostly just me, though.
Yeah, you on your own.
You on your own.
Still counts.
Fair enough. So that's what the big bed's for, just so you can scroll out with your blow-up doll or something like that.
Absolutely, that's why I want the mirror tin.
Fair enough. We'll put in a pump then, so you have somewhere to pump up your girlfriend. What else would you like in your van, apart from just the bed?
The bed. Some storage space for, like, being able to throw it, because there's the awning to go in it, right? I got a tent to I could throw in it as well, just for, like, if it's ever needed. Obviously, like a camping stove and that kind of thing, like, so I can do cooking and stuff. I'm not too worried about doing cooking inside the van and sort of having that many amenities actually in it. Mostly I want to be able to drive places eventually go out for a few drinks or whatever.
And have somewhere that you can just park up and
Yeah,
crash.
basically, yeah.
Awesome. Perfect van for you, mate. Perfect van.
You're just saying that.
No, it is. I used to have a T4 as well. A brilliant van. And I had, when in my T4, I had me, the wife, 2 kids, and the dog.
Yeah,
in this little space.
That's not what I want in this.
Well, there's no room for you after your blow-up girlfriend's pumped up.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So we put Cure Rust on all the rust spots now. As you can see, some of them are already starting to convert and turn black and blue, which means it is working.
Anyone in?
Once that's all done, then we're going to fill in these holes with some silicone, and then we'll start spraying.
Oh, feeling a bit.
So now all the rust cure has dried. We're now going along and we're spraying it all with Hammerite. You're not going to see any of this floor anyway, so it doesn't matter. The colour doesn't really match the bottom of the floor. But that's all the rust now dealt with, cured and sprayed. Don't think there'll be any rust coming through here anytime soon. $200 Renogy solar panel that we're going to be putting on top of this T4 from one of Nick's previous projects that he had on his caravan as leftover. We think it's going to fit. It should fit. You want the wires at the back, yeah?
Yeah. Oh.
Ready?
Yep. Hi, Chloe.
Where do you want it? Right there. Like this now.
Straight at the front.
That looks pretty much
Yeah, it's bang on.
That looks pretty much bang on.
There's a line here as well.
Is it?
Yeah, no, that's good.
That's pretty good.
Slowly sliding off. The trousers are well slippery on this.
You must be getting used to this now. How many solar panels is this now you've bolted into my van, your caravan? It's a strong roof. Let me make sure it hasn't gone through. No, we're good. We're good. Nothing's gone through. I don't think there's any electrics or anything there.
Bomba! You won't mention that scratch.
No, we won't. It's alright, I got some of that green paint left.
Fucking hate silicone.
How many batteries are going in this one, sir?
One 130 amp one, and it's got 200 watt solar panel, and a 1500 watt inverter. Just enough to like charge your phone and run a few small things.
Just a very simple setup, but that's all. Morris, who's buying the van, all he really needs just somewhere to crash, really. So, and as we said, this van is getting sold simply to fund to actually fix the T25 that is here, which is going to be absolutely awesome when it's finished. But there's a lot of rust on the old girl. Around the windows, whole new panels are going to be ordered for this. At the back, and the interior has seen better days as well. But this is going to be fully restored, and this is one that Nick's actually going to be keeping. So subscribe to the channel, guys, because we're going to be finishing off the T4 first. Then after that, we're going to be moving on to the T25 to get the full build. But before we can do any of that, we've got to finish this first. So that's the end of this video, guys. We've managed to get a little bit done on the van today, and we'll be finishing off the rest. Well, we'll be getting some more done next week. Today we've obviously managed to take up all the floors, deal with all the rust on there, make sure it's ready for the floor we want to put down, and we've also just installed the solar panel. We haven't connected anything through or run the wires or anything through yet, but just so it's on there and ready to go when we need to. Come back next week, guys. I think next week we're going to be putting down the laminate flooring, and we're also going to start building the bed and everything as well. This won't be a big build, this won't take long to actually do once we get started on it, because it's a minimal. It's a bed, it's a kitchen, it's a sink. It's going to be some basic things that we're going to be doing. But follow us to see how we can do it, and we're going to be trying to do this with a pretty big budget as well, a pretty small budget I should say as well. So, see you in the next one, guys. Thanks again for watching.
Cincinnati,